if you want to go ahead and then manage out the contents that you have over here in SketchUp, then what you can do is you can utilize something called the outliner. So to access the outliner, I'm going to go around over here onto the Windows menu right here. And then I'm going to go around over here onto the default tree right here and then enable outliner. And this is what you have right here. Let me just go ahead and close out entity and tags. And here you can see that there's this outliner right here. So now if I were to go around and make something, let's say for example, if I were to go ahead and make this, you don't really see anything right now over here in the outliner. But let me just go around over here just like this. So let's just go around over here onto the selection. Let me just click and drag it, right click and make this as a group. So once you do that, you can see that this has been turned into a group now, and you can see the outliner right here, and you can name it whatever you want. So you can go ahead and name it. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say something like walls right here. So now, let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this right here by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And you can see that this is what you have now. So you can see that this is another wall. So this is what I can do. I can go ahead and make it like walls 2 right here, just like this. So now let me just take the selection tool right here, select both of these objects, and I'm going to go ahead and right click right here and make this as a group. And you can see that now you can see the hierarchy of the group right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto this group and say walls right here, just like this. So you can see the hierarchy right here as well, just like this. You can go ahead and hide and show these out over here one by one as well in the hierarchy. So I can go around over here onto the walls, and this is what you have. You can see that you can view the entity info for that as well, assign tags to it as well if you want to as well, just like this. So here I can go ahead, create out tag, and let's say for example for this wall, you can go ahead and assign tag to it, and then this is what you have as well. You can enable and disable this right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and let's say for example, I'm going to press Ctrl C and Ctrl V right here. There's a duplicate right here, just like this. And you can see that there's the hierarchy right here for the walls right here. So if I were to go ahead and let's say for example, let me just go ahead and keep it right here. I'm going to select both of the walls right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and make this as a group. Then you can see that there's another hierarchy. So whatever hierarchy that you have, you do see it right here, and you can simply go around and name it whatever you want as you want. So I'm just going to say wall collection right here, just like this, and this is what you have. So this is how you can go ahead and then maintain out the outliner contents as you like inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.